Have you ever been working on a Smartsheet project and needed to share it with someone else? Or maybe you're trying to access a Smartsheet project that you created on another device. If so, you may be wondering where to find your Smartsheet ID. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Smartsheet ID. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that helps you manage your projects and tasks. Smartsheet IDs are unique identifiers that are used to access your Smartsheet projects. There are two ways to find your Smartsheet ID. From the Smartsheet app, open the Smartsheet app. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Your Smartsheet ID will be displayed in the User ID field. From the Smartsheet website, go to the Smartsheet website. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password. Click on the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Your Smartsheet ID will be displayed in the User ID field. Additional tips: you can use your Smartsheet ID to share your projects with other people. You can also use your Smartsheet ID to access your projects from other devices. If you forget your Smartsheet ID, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Your Password link on the Sign In page. Now you know how to find your Smartsheet ID. This information will be helpful if you need to share your projects with others or access your projects from other devices. If you have any questions about Smartsheet IDs, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.